Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I bring you this tip to make a great cutlery holder with soda cans. It is very easy to make and as always recycled. It is ideal for a picnic or if you go to a pool and there are tables where you can eat right there. So you can bring all your utensils without having them in a bag and so that everyone has easy access to them. Besides, it looks very nice and you could even have it in your home for daily use. So without further ado, let's see what we will need to do it. We are going to need 6 cans of soda of the brand you want or the color you like the most. One of the can openers that I show you, rope for the handle or you can also do it with a bit of wire. A paper punch but that will work perfectly with aluminum and finally a silicone gun to glue the cans. So let's see how it's done. First of all we take our cans, remove the ring that opens them and set aside for another project. Now we wash them. We just add a little water and a little dish soap and shake them vigorously for a few seconds. We empty the water and do it again as many times as they want or feel that it is already clean. Once you have done it, just leave them face down in the sink or on a paper towel so that they dry perfectly. Once they have dried, we take our can opener, just make sure it is one of these like the one I show you. Now we take one of our cans and open it. Here just be very careful to put the polisher correctly since you have to put the gear right where the upper part is that is not painted and what cuts the can inside. So that it grips well and cuts the inside but without ruining the can on the outside. Press until you hear it penetrate, and turn it over. It should cut without problems as shown on the screen. But if they don't grab it well it can happen to them like me and cut the part of the can that is not what we want. So just remember to position the can opener well and once you are safe, apply pressure until you hear it cut. And turn to open it. They should have a clean cut with no burrs that could cut them. Once we have cut them, we just remove the lid and place them face down on a napkin so that the leftover liquid can drain. When we have cut the other 4 cans, this is how they should be arranged, preferably with the logos facing out so it can be seen better. If any of them were marked by the can opener, put that part facing inwards so it won't be noticeable. But that will depend on the can you use or you can paint them too. Then we are going to make some holes but only in 4 of the cans, which are the ones facing outwards, and for that we will use our hole punch. We take the can and make the hole right in the top as seen on the screen. Just apply pressure and you should pierce it without problems. Now we take the D together and do exactly the same, just making sure that the hole is at the same height and making sure that the logos are facing outwards. If you paint them then you can make the hole wherever you want. We drill the last 2 in the same way, making sure that they are at the same height and that the logos are facing outwards, and once finished they should look more or less like this. The holes are even since our claw will enter there. Now if all that remains is to glue them, we take our silicone gun and put it on the part that will go inside. Try to add enough so that they are well glued. Listen to me now and don't regret it later. It is better to add more and have more than there is not enough and we have to do it again. Do it on a flat surface so that all the cans are at the same height. Just take the rest and glue them 2 by 2 as I show you in the video. Now that we have the 3 pairs of cans glued together, we now proceed to glue them all together. First take a pair and pour silicone on the 2 cans on the part that will be joined. Just do it quickly because otherwise the silicone will cool and dry before you can glue them. Also, add a good amount so that it fits well. Since we glued those, we do the same with the other pair. Remember to add enough silicone so that it does not come off. Once they're done, it should look more or less like this, as if it were a 6-pack they bought at the party. Now we just take our rope in this case and put it through the holes on one of the sides of our cutlery holder. We pass the other end of our string through the hole that is formed in our rope, if that is how it was made, and we adjust until it is well gripped and does not come loose. Finally, we put the other part of the rope on the opposite side, but this time we tie a knot as we pass it through so that it does not come undone. Pull it to adjust it inside the can and we have the handle just as I show you on the screen. Remember that you can also do it with a wire if you want. All that remains is to put all the things we want. In this case I put some plastic and metal cutlery, some straws and even some napkins. And as you can see, there is still a lot of space for you to put whatever you want. Maybe some ice picks, some tongs, etc. And it will be ready to be taken wherever you want. You will tell me in the comments that you put in yours. As you can see, this is how it is finished and it looks very cool. It will depend on the cans you want to put in and the colors you choose. It will surely look great on them. Here I made them in this color and this brand because I like them a lot and it is the one I take. But don't think it's because they pay me to post it. Here I added some tongs and an ice cream spoon, but as I told you, you can put whatever you want. So as you see, with just a few soda cans and a little silicone, we can make this gorgeous cutlery holder that I know all your family and friends will love. And the best of all is that without spending almost anything because we are recycling the materials. As you already know, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.